Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning. Happy Hump Day. Happy Hump Day, y'all. What it do? What it do? How's your guys' day going so far? So, well, the market clearly already moved a lot. I think we have data at 10 a.m., right? Let me check real quick. Economic calendar. What do we have at new home sales at 10? So we got about 10 minutes. Morning, Jerry, and thank you, Alex. I appreciate it. Mine's going well. I finished my basketball workout, do some cardio real quick, clear my minds, and come back. I try to do things that clear my head so they don't cloud my judgment so I can trade freely. So it's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. I can't complain. So we got 10 minutes here. That's what clearly the market has moved a lot. Let's go to RTY at the Russell and doing the same thing. Nothing to see there. Let's go to YM. Nothing to see here. Nothing yet. There's nothing yet. So we're going to stick with RTY right now. We're going to stick right here. And let's see what happens and see what she does. Um, One thing that I want to show you guys real quick. One thing I want to show you guys real quick is my hard work. My hard work that I've done trading brick by brick by brick, slowly but surely. I finally reached the account minimum balance to like get payouts or whatever on the 250K account. I'm $78 over. So I'm at 66.78. So the threshold is at 6600. I'm 78 bucks extra. So everything that I make, it's all for me. Um so finally I got to account minimum balance. Finally. It was a very hard, grueling challenge to do it, but I was able to do it. Now since I finally reached the threshold, I need to improve and trade way better, trade way smarter, do even smarter plays, cut my losers quick, just have to be overall better. Because I want to get a payout eventually and funds my own account. My plan is to build this up to get 5K and take out that 5K and put it in a personal account. I kind of regret being in a prop firm. I regret being in a prop firm. But we all learn from our mistakes, and that's totally okay. That's totally okay that we're learning from our mistakes. And as soon as I get paid out, I'm gonna immediately take that out and put that in a personal account, so I can build that. But I'm still gonna be trading the prop firm account, but I just need to get that payout. I need to get that money back and put it in a personal account. I just have to. I have to. Give me a second. Okay. So, I was just being transparent with you guys. I am recording my whole entire journey here. And this is a great milestone in my journey to share of reaching that threshold. So, when I get to that first payout, I'm, definitely gonna show you guys that I got my first payout. What's up, Lil Spoon? What's up, the gamer? What's up, Cody? You guys are late. I was I was telling these guys about that I reached the account minimum. I'm gonna let some of you guys join. I'll show you guys again. But first, what time is it? 9:55. I'll show you guys like in a few minutes again. So let me write out my rules for today. The rules that we're gonna follow. Two trades today. Um, only trade designs. Uh, I'm not a genius. Only trade designs. Morning 2011. What's up? Um, let's state the obvious. Trade with the trends. Obviously, it's to the downside. No FOMO. No being a weak bitch. So that's my game plan for today. Um, looks like RTY is doing something. Morning, Paul. What's up, 2011? So I think that pretty much covers it. Two trades today. I don't think I really need a third one anymore, to be honest with you. Now that I met my minimum account balance, I just need two trades, dude. I don't need to do anymore. I'm not gonna do anymore. I'm just gonna make sure they're A+ setups, do the trade designs, trade with the trend. Obviously, right now it's to the downside unless it switches otherwise, but I don't like this over here. I really don't like that. I'm not comfortable with that. Don't FOMO in and don't be a weak bitch. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. I think the more patient and the more um, critical in ourselves that we are, the harder we are in ourselves, the better we'll strive together. You just have to be very tough. This is a very long game. This is not quick money type shit. I'm in it for the long haul. I'm not trying to fucking work no job. I mean, if it is, if I am gonna work a job, it's to be a job that I like. Um, and it's right here. So in it for the long haul. Just be very patient. If it takes me to the end of the year to get to the account minimum, then whatever, bro. I don't fucking care. But as long as I get there. For the people who just came in, will show you guys. Yesterday, I met my account balance on my 250K account. The account balance is 6,600. I'm $78 over. So everything that I make now is for me. So now that I met the balance, I'm gonna turn it up a notch and trade way better and minimize losses. Do two trades and don't be fucking crazy with it. I'm trying to get my first payout and I'm slowly getting there brick by brick. Brick by brick, I'm getting there. And I'm gonna make it there. And I don't give a shit how long it takes me. I'm not in a fucking rush. I'm at my minimum balance now, smooth sailing. Just slow compounding. That's all I need. If, like I said, if it takes me till the end of the year to get my first payout, so be it. But as long as I'm getting paid, that's all that matters to me. That's all that matters to me. We got data in a minute. So obviously, don't trade data. We're not here to trade off of one candle. We're gonna see what the market gives us, and then we'll enter a trade. Good morning, E. How's your vacation, bro? Congrats on hitting that minimum balance, bro. Time to get paid. Thank you, Cody. Yeah, absolutely, bro. Time to get paid. Time to get paid. I wish, I regret going into a prop firm. But I think there it was like a time where like our market chat got full of prop firms like a few months back. Like everybody, it was like all the rave, and everybody started getting into it, and we all got into it, and we all wasted our money onto it, and now we realize, you know what? Maybe I should have just did a personal account way better. So I'm learning from my mistakes. It's fine. You made a mistake. You just have to be better. So now we're gonna just now that I'm at the balance, we're gonna take advantage of the prop firm and get my payout and put that money in a personal account. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna stop trading it because I'm already in a fucking prop firm. I might as well keep trading it and I'm gonna keep trading it. But slowly but surely we'll build the personal port and then we'll trade it simultaneously at the same time with the prop firm. Um, Good, but ready to be home. My in-laws, a week is enough. How much you got? Don't you have like another week, bro? Yeah, I feel you, bro. If you can't trade E, don't force it, bro. Don't force it, bro. Don't be that guy. Don't force it, E. If you can't trade and they're bugging you and you're not in the right space, don't do it, bro. Just don't do it. Now, if like you have some time and you're alone and you're totally concentrated, go ahead. But don't let nothing cloud your judgment. Do I like using Super Trend? I don't really need it. I know that the trend is down. Um, so super trend is just extra confirmation. I know that the trend is down. I go to my 50 and my 30. I know that the trend is down. Is it gonna load? Okay. Yeah, I know that the trend is down. I go to my 30. I know that the trend is down. So it's all a preference. If you need that extra confirmation on that super trend, um, go ahead and do it. When super trend, I'm pretty sure right now super trend is red. When it switches to green, take that trade. If it helps you and it prevents you from over trading, that's fine. Um, then do that. Do anything possible that will allow you to succeed. And if having super trend on makes you take less trades, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Go ahead and do it, bro. Go ahead and do it. If you fly home tomorrow, I do have a golf trip Saturday through Monday though. Then it's time to get back to it. Yeah, me, you just Mr. Worldwide, Pitbull over here, just on vacation, on vacation, on vacation. Okay, that's RTY. Let me see what YM is doing real quick. Not doing nothing, and there's nothing to do, so I'm not looking at that. Let's take a look at MES. So Okay, it's kind of doing the same thing with RTY. MNQ looks interesting. It does. It does. Oh, look. The level that I plotted yesterday, it looks like it bounced off of it. Oh, let me 605 worldwide. Yep. Let me take a look at this. It got rejected here and then it broke through. But yeah, it bounced off the level that I drew yesterday on it. Huh. Looks like it worked. I'm not trading that though. The reason I'm not trading that, well, one, I don't trade MNQ. I did trade MNQ yesterday. And I got the yesterday I got my 1-to-1 here on this candle because it just popped off. And then on YM I got my 1-to-1. So I got 2R yesterday on two trades. But the I'm not gonna trade it because I don't like how there's so many predictive levels in the way. I don't like that. I'm not comfortable with that. It's too much noise. It's you're showing sensitivity here. You broke through. You got a wick, and then you got another wick. I mean the trend. You're still developing up because MACD is heavily separated. RSI, you know, it's up to 63, so it's gaining strength and momentum. So it's still a good play, but I can't digest so many predictive levels in the way, and I respect predictive levels a lot. Let me make this shit bolder, so it can pop out at me. Uh, can I make them thicker? Yeah, so they can pop out at me. Yeah, there's too much predictive levels in the way for me to trade. I just don't like it. I want lots of runway and nothing in the way. I don't want anything blocking my way. So I'm gonna be stingy, bro. I'm gonna be stingy. I only want a double plus setup. A double plus setup. So it's too much stuff for me away. Programmer. How long I've been trading? Well, next week is July. I started trading I think July like 19-ish right there. I know I started trading in July, but in July 3 years ago. So I make 3 years next month, like around like the 19-ish around there. Because I started trading around my birthday. My birthday is July 21st. So my birthday is in less than a month. Um, look, like I said, this is a good trade right here. It's, you know, you have a lot of strength coming up. But it's just too many predicted levels in the way for me to digest it. But I've been trading 3 years and um, you know, I'm starting to see that exponential learning curve. I think my exponential learning curve is like this. It's like fucking roller coaster down. I think I'm at the point where the exponential curve finally is gonna make the curve, but I'm at the bottom side of it. So, and I'm at the bottom side, and it's slowly creeping up, slowly. So that's how I can explain my trading journey. You know, day by day, I'm getting there. But what's making me improve is the hours of back testing at my job. I'm back testing like a fucking maniac. Doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over, seeing what things that I see, what do I notice? Just getting better and better and better and better. That's the only way to get better, bro. Just keep putting in the work. I don't give a fuck if I have no life right now. I really don't care. Because I'm trying to accomplish a mission, bro. And my mission is to be a profitable trader, and I'll do whatever it takes to get to that goal. Pivoting up, man, we getting there. Yeah, E, we're getting there, bro. E, From when me and you started talking like fucking 3 months ago, both of us got way better. Way better. If you compare our growth from like if we started talking like 3 months ago, we started our own little subgroup um on the Discord. It has to be like 3 months ago. It's 2 or 3 months ago, or almost 3 months ago. We got so much better if you think back at that time. You may not like the results that you see because I don't like the results that I'm seeing for myself. I'm not satisfied, and I won't be satisfied until I'm doing good, consistently good. Um, but I can say that I definitely got better, and you definitely got better, bro. And just like everybody else, that's on chat right now. If you think back 3 months ago of how your learning curve was, I know for a fact you guys would say, yeah, I definitely got better. It may not show monetary wise, it may not show by the money, but it's not about the money. It's about the growth. And the sooner we just separate the money from the growth, the more we start appreciating the growth. Because I'm telling you right now, the money is gonna come. That's already written on paper, on concrete, in history. It's written in our destiny because we're traders. If we just keep at it, eventually we're gonna get there. We're gonna make money. It might not be now, it might not be tomorrow, it might not be next week, it may not be next month. But 6 months down the line, a year down the line, you're gonna be making bank, bro. And then you're gonna be very thankful that you did not quit because this game is for the fucking strong, bro. Let me tell you that. If you don't have that concrete psychology, you're not gonna make it there, bro. I'm sorry. You're not gonna make it there. You can't be no being a weak bitch, bro. You can't be a weak bitch. You can't. Um, RTY, how much margin do we need? Also, how many per point? Um, how many per point? I can tell you that right now. And you don't need that much margin, bro. Um, let's see how much is it per point. One RTY. Because if not, you can just go to M2K, which is the micro version of this. But one RTY is basically 5 micros of ES. So it's about $5 a point. $5 a tick because there's 9 ticks in a point on the Russell. So it's $5 a tick. So if you go to 1 point, which is 2 4, what is it? 235.7. 1 point. 1 point is $50. So it's half of ES. So technically, if you do 5 micros of MES, that's the equivalent of one RTY. If that helped you. If not, you can go to M2K. Yeah, $5 a tick. Yeah, if not, you can go to M2K, which is less than one MES. It's even way less. It's even way less. So, um, you can trade two. You can trade two M2Ks, and what that will give you like it's $1 a tick, bro. Uh, so with two of them, I mean, you're straight with two of them. Like you put your stop here, something like that, $30. You're good with like two of them. Um, I'm comfortable with one RTY, so that's what I'm doing. I'm comfortable with one RTY, or you can do half of a RTY, which is 5 M2Ks. That could work too. Chris, $500 margin. Um, well, thank you for answering this question. I'm not fucking good at math, bro. So I'm not no fucking mathematician wizard. I, I don't know how much margin you need. I just need you need money. You need some money. You need some money to trade it. So okay, RTY is not doing nothing. What did MNQ ever do? So okay, see, this is why I don't with this many predictive levels, I'm not comfortable with that. Um, I'm just not gonna trade what I'm not comfortable with. I'm not. But still, I mean, look, bro, look that MACD past the neutral, and look how separated. The more MACD separation, the stronger the move. But you have to be wary. Now it's printing like green, so just be wary of that. And you have RSI over 50. You just have to be wary of that. You already got sensitivity on this level, reached this level, it got rejected. So there's a lot of stuff in the way, but still, no matter what, regardless of my feelings of how I feel, of what's a comfortable trade, at the end of the day, we're trading what we see in our charts, and what we see is green candles above the 200, RSI, gain strength, and MACD separating. Regardless of how I feel, this is still an A setup. Why? Because we have everything in our favor. Everything is green. So you can easily take it to the 1.5 and be out of there. So regardless of how I feel, this is still an A setup. Don't fucking listen to me and care about how I feel that there's like too many predictive levels, this and that. It doesn't fucking matter. It does matter, but just manage your risk. Um Still, it's still a good play, but my opinion is that I don't like too many predictive levels in the way because that could lead to a lot of sensitivity in the candles. And what I want a lot of runway to trade. So it's still doing good. It hit a 1-to-1, still doing good. MNQ is my new baby. Playing it smart and the design calls for it's great. Yeah, absolutely. MNQ is like fast money. Your big bro just joined. Your big bro just announced, just joined. Gilmore, I tagged you in Discord with a picture that shows all the margin requirements and tick prices. Appreciate it, Chris. Thank you, dude. Um, let's take a look at YM. Still not doing shit, right? Where's the EMAs? Yeah, it's still not doing shit, so we're not gonna go there. Let's take a look at what MES is doing. Um, Okay, I don't like all of this in the way, so let's go back to RTY, and we're gonna stick here. We're gonna stick right here. Have you taken any trades? No, I have not taken any trades because I only want A plus setups. I only want A plus setups. So no, I haven't taken any trades so far. Nope. The trend is to the downside, and I want to take a trade with the trend. So even though I got a green candle right here, and technically, um, on Titan V7 because I have V7 up right here on this screen. Um, I got a trade design on V7 on Verge 7. Um, but the overwhelming trend is to the downside, and I much rather go short than going long. If it just so happens to, explode up, oh well. I don't fucking care, bro. I don't care. I want to reach my apex payout, bro. I'm trying to get that money, bro. So I'm being fucking Mr. Miyagi in this bitch. Wax on, wax off. Extreme discipline. Extreme discipline. That's the only way I will reach payout. Only way I will reach payout. And I'm not gonna reach payout if I do some wishy-washy trades. And plus, you got all these predictive levels in the way. I don't like that. I want a trade to the downside. And if we don't get it, so be it, bro. So be it. Yesterday, I got 2R um on got my 1R and MNQ. Look, the trade is still going on MNQ. See? Like I said, it doesn't matter how I feel. What you see on the chart is what we trade. We have like heavy indication of going to the bull side. I got my 1R on this candle, and then on YM yesterday, um, I think there was data at 10 at 9:50. I took a trade. I took a trade right here. Enter to this level right there. Very quick. 950? Yep, 950. I scalped it right there to this level. Bum bum, 101. Switch to MQ, bum bum, 101. I was out. So regardless, I made money yesterday. If I don't make money today, I'm fine. I'll make money another day. I'll make money another day. All good. You don't gotta force anything, bro. And we don't have to. I'm learning that you don't have to take a trade every day, and you don't have to force anything at all. You really don't. You really don't have to force shit. RTY rejection on the 100 EMA. Huh. Thanks for letting me know. I also rejected off the predictive level, and it looks like MES is rejecting right here. So, blah, blah, blah. We got XL curling up though. You won't get a trade design unless price action comes underneath here, which is way too far from the EMAs. The tighter the tighter the trade closer to the EMAs, the better the risk. The farther away the trade from the EMAs, the larger the risk. So nothing yet. We're just gonna hang out here. We'll go back to RTY. So I mean it's holding on the 48 though. It's holding on the 48. So I still want to trade to the downside though. I'm not gonna front with you. I'm not even gonna front with you. The only way we'll go long is if we break the 200, but that's a long way to go. That's a long way to go. So it's losing some steam right here, and we have the MACD printing light green. So let's see if she dies or not. If she keeps going, well, oh well. I guess we're not taking trades for the day. Bias is short. Short side bias. And yeah, now the candle's going gray. This is why you don't counter trend. Why put your hard-earned money at risk? Just go counter. Super trend is green though, right? Yeah, super trend is green though. Doesn't matter. I know that my trend is still to the downside. So let's pop back the EMAs. Leave it like that. This is exactly what I want to see. Rejection and keep going down. And now I just need my sub indicators to follow. I need that RSI to go below 50 again, crossing the moving average, and I need that MACD to be red. That's what I need. Nothing to do here. Has anybody did anybody has anybody taken trades yet? Did you guys trade pre-market with Gabe? I was busy, so I didn't trade pre-market. So MES came back up. Okay. So it's getting closer to the 200. Let's take a look at the bigger trend. Oof. No trades yet, Paul? Nice. The gamer is sitting on your hands? That's awesome. That's awesome. You don't need to take a trade at all. You took a trade on NQE. Did you take the trade of the trade design that we were just showing right now? And you're writing MNQ right now? Lost money earlier like a loser? How did you lose your money, Philip? How did you lose your money? Explain to us so we can review here. What did you do wrong? Uh, and what you could have done better. So please let us know, Philip. What trade did you do? I would love to review you guys' trades. Uh, you entered at 20,000. Take a look at MES. MES is doing something right now. RTY is holding. RTY is holding on the 48. And MES is rejecting off right now. So we're gonna keep our screen out here at both of them. NQ took a trade, got stopped out, and it popped. That's what happens with that's what happens with NQ, bro. That shit will give you big ass fucking candles. That shit will give you big ass fucking candles, bro, to be honest with you. So I don't know. What was it, pre-market or was it market open? Or was it this trade design that it printed? Which one? Okay. Took it on a trade design? Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I said. Um, this candle just got me. Down right here. Yeah. Like I said, in my back testing, my observations, when there's a trade design and there's multiple levels, I get my ass handed to me. So I'm just gonna stay away. I'm just gonna stay away. Those are my observations. I'm just sharing you guys what I have seen through my back testing. You guys can do whatever you want. But I like it when there's a clear runway to run at. And you can argue that, yeah, there's stuff going on here, but trend is still short. So, damn, that's a fucking murder candle right there. Let's go back to MES, see what you're doing, baby. So, MES is showing something. MES is showing something. When you see multiple predictive levels, yeah, bro, when you see like a whole bunch of predictive levels just stacked up on top of each other, I try to stay away from it. There's too much stuff, too much noise in the way because we respect predictive levels, right? We respect it, right? So I'm respecting the predictive levels and it's showing me that there's a whole bunch of levels in the way. I'm just not comfortable with taking a trade like that. I want emptiness so it can run. Emptiness. Stress free trading. And then you got the fucking murder candle, which we're not chasing. Which we're not chasing. Don't be a bitch. Don't FOMO. You see a death candle. Oh, let me jump in that. I'm not jumping in. I'm not jumping in. I'm gonna just let the market do what it's want, show its hands, allow the play to develop, and then I'll enter. Yeah, it's a big ass dump. So okay, now RTY is dumping. I would much rather take a trade on RTY than MES, bro. To be honest with you, I I, um, I get faked out on MES a lot. So let's go back to the Russell. Okay, this is much better. So we got rejected off of it. Yeah, RTY moves a little bit slower, but that's fine by me. So still not doing nothing. It got rejected off 48 predictive level, and I guess who said the 100 EMA? 2011, and I guess it got rejected off the 100 EMA right here. We're still downtrending. So still nothing to do, nothing to show for. Let me switch back to MES. And this is why I don't chase fucking big candles because every time there's a big chop, it always comes back like a rubber band. Always. Not always, but a good amount of time it does. Because you got a big ass drop, and say you would have chased it, fucking entered on the bottom of the candle. Oh, let me enter right here. It went below the EMAs. Time to take the move down. Obviously, the move down, it's to go short. I'm gonna go short. But next thing you know, you enter at the fucking bottom of the candle, and then you got a fucking pop of what? Fucking 6, 7 points right here, and you're like, damn, bro, I got my ass handed to me. So still no trades to take yet. Why? Because there's no trade design yet. There's no trade design yet. So you just got to be very patient on what we do and very selective on what we do. Let me be your conscience in the back of your head telling you, don't fucking take the trade. Don't fucking take it. At least let me try at least because I mean you guys do whatever you want. If you want to take the trade, go ahead. Go ahead. You don't have to go by my pace. I'm a very slow trader. Very slow trader. Turtle. Turtle soup. Let's see what she does. Light green, gray. What's RTY doing? Going below its moving average. It's still not primed and ready yet. Still not primed and ready yet. Hold on, what's YM doing, dude? I haven't even looked at it. It's not doing shit. Not doing shit. I'm not gonna trade that today. Nope. I'm not gonna trade that today. Do I ever show my trade Zella? I don't have trade Zella. I don't have trade Zella. Making it back up on SPY, up and down, up and down. What does that mean, Philip? Um, but CPU. I mean, eventually I'll get a trade Zella. Because with my first payout, well, I want to fund my personal account. Then, God willing, I get to my second payout. I want to join Longevity Club, and to join Longevity Club, I need to trade Zella. So eventually, I'll get my trade Zella. Eventually, not now. I'm fine without it. So it's getting primed and ready. We got rejected. Is this going to be another leg down of the downtrend? I don't know, but we have a predictive level right here. So obviously, I'm going to enter at the break of this level. It's rejecting off the 200, so bought some puts. Second go around this morning, almost done. Awesome, dude. So, well, actually, no, let me see. Uh, no. Arrow. I want I'm gonna take a trade at the break of that predictive level. Uh, That's where I'm gonna take a trade. So you can see big ass arrow, break of the predictive level, sub indicators red, red, red candles, trade design, attack. A plus plus setup. Only. Let's see. Back testing sensors that they do right now. Trade design popped up on ES May 21st. At 11:55 was going to take it, then went back to what we've been chatting about. Kept me from getting chopped and stopped out. You see what I mean? That's a secret that we're gonna hold to our graves though yet. I need more results before I say anything about the 15 and 30. Would you put an order? Nah, because say I put an order right here, it gets filled, but then what if it holds on the predictive level and bounces up? I don't know. I don't have enough skill to put a limit order. I don't. I don't. And plus, I don't have a trade design, so there's nothing to base my limit order on. You get what I'm trying to say? Dun, 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 dun. Get my Ninja Trader ready so I can attack this market. Let's see what she does. Let's see what she does. Dun, 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 rejected. Red, red, rejected. It's a little green, but I don't like that, but it's okay. We're trading the 5 minute. I just need that to be red, and we'll attack. Nothing yet. We still got a minute. Did MES present a trade design yet? Nope, not yet. Just chopping around, not doing a damn thing. Let's get back here. And we wait patiently. We got 50 seconds on the candle. Not ready yet. And let me check one more time. What's why I'm doing? Just for the sake of checking. Not doing shit. So, okay. So we're sticking with RTY. We're sticking with the Russell. Primed and ready, baby. Get my finger on the trigger. It's breaking that predictive level. Let's see if we get a clean break. And let's see if we get a trade design down. So we're getting RSI nosediving below 50. That's good. We need a MACD cross. Super trend is still green though, but overall trend is still down. You're waiting on MES to go below time for trade design. Absolutely, I would wait too. Got a trade design. Let's see. Target. Let's put my stop at right there. And we're gonna target a 1.5 down there. What's that? 227. So 1.5. Okay, we got our trade design. Break of the level. Trade design. Red, red. And now we just let the play do its thing. We just let the play do its thing. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see if my patience is gonna pay me. Let's see if my patience is gonna pay me. Why don't I place my orders on TradingView? Um, because I copy trade on NinjaTrader. That's why. I copy trade on NinjaTrader. That's why I trade off of NinjaTrader, which is Tradeovate, and it's connected to my TradingView. So targeting 1.5, close to the low of the day, and we're just gonna let this thing do its thing. Obviously, I'm doing the best I could with the knowledge that I have. I'm not gonna get mad that I get stopped out because I did my job. I waited for an A plus setup, red indicators, MACD cross. We got a trade design. We got a break of the level. Got on the entry. I did the best you can possibly do. I did the best you can possibly do. So even if it goes against me, I'm not gonna bitch and moan about it. Like, oh my God, Why did I get stopped out? It's trading, bro. Shooters shoot. I'm shooting my shot right now. Yeah, multiple accounts. Multiple accounts. Like how you're thinking, but I'm waiting for XL red and Super Trend red. Oh, that's fine, bro. That's more confirmation. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. If you want Super Trend to turn red, that's fine. Where's Super Trend at? 2030.4. Um, right there. Still green. All good though. All good though. It looks like it held on the predictive level. EMS just MES just bouncing around Titan. Yeah, it's chopping away, chopping away. So I'm gonna move my stop loss where Titan is. We're just gonna trail it. So I took some risk off the table. Trade is developing my way. We're gonna put our risk at the top of this candle. Is it at the top of the candle? I'll just leave it right there. That's fine. So we're allowing the trade to develop. We're allowing the trade to do its thing. Slow and steady. No emotions. Just be chill, bro. Just be chill. You don't gotta panic. You don't gotta go crazy. You're doing the best you possibly can. And that's all that matters. As long as you're putting your A plus 100% effort, you're doing the best you can with what you got. Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Is it hitting um is it hitting super trend? Did I hear correctly about how Gabe said that you can use super trend as a level? Did I hear that correctly? I'm pretty sure I heard him say that correctly, that you can treat this as a level as well. I don't know. Let me know if I'm wrong. Regardless, we're still good. And Titan AI moved up. I'm not moving my stop up. You're supposed to move your stop down, not up. So I'm gonna leave it right there. Yes, I'm pretty sure you said that. Yeah. Okay. Just making sure. So like I said, if I get stopped out, no worries. If if it comes back down and everything still looks good, I'll re-enter again for my second and final trade of the day. I don't gotta do too much. I'm fine, bro. I'm fine. I know that I took a good trade. I know that I took a good trade. I know that for a fact. I followed my rules. Only trade design. Trade with the trend obviously is to the downside, but you can't control a big candle like that. Still has 48 in the way. What does that mean? Fernando, yeah, he showed it yesterday morning on live going on. Okay. Yeah. I'm doing 3 trades total and stopping at 12. Yeah. Yeah, I stop at 12 too. So obviously it's holding around here. It's hovering around there. So it's all good. If play keeps developing to the downside, I'll re-enter again. I'll re-enter again. So I got one more trade, and I better make sure it counts. And we just broke again above that predictive level. So obviously, this right here, price action is refusing to go below here. So we're gonna wait. What's MES doing? Right back up, faking out everybody. What's MNQ doing? Did it fake out everybody too? Right back up. Okay, is the market sentiment shifting? Was this just a fucking fake out to continue going higher? Maybe could have faked us all out. What you doing, YM? What you doing? Consolidating and coming back up and not doing shit. Not doing shit. See what MES, what MES is doing. I'm gonna leave it at MES right here. I have RTY right here on my other screen to keep looking at it just in case it wants to continue to the downside, but we're all good. Piggy Blinder, hey dude, what does FWIW mean? What does that mean? I asked Gabe, my other one, about entry before the trade design entry line. He said wait and only enter at the trade design entry. Um, okay. I mean, yeah, I can see how, yeah, that's you're not front running the play, but I took it. I mean, I entered like I was probably like 2 ticks like above the entry line, so I mean, I caught it right at entry. Yeah, for what it's worth. Yeah, no, I get you for what it's worth. I get what you're trying to say. But I wasn't too far away from the entry. Like I was literally like 2 ticks away from the entry line. So I'm in that guideline. I entered at the break of a level. I got the trade design. RSI was red. MACD was red. Red candles going down to the downside. There's nothing I can do. I did everything I can possibly do. But thank you though. I'll take it as don't front run a trade design and let it develop. So I get it. I only say also I get screwed entering before. Yeah, absolutely. That's front running a trade design. Like say you see it flash, and then you enter and not watching it hold. That fucks you up. It definitely does. It definitely does. Even if he entered at the entry, he still got stopped out. PA did eventually hit entry, so would have gotten stopped out anyways. So if you're waiting, good trade. Yeah, absolutely, dude. Absolutely. So yeah, we got RTY popping back up. That wasn't a bad trade. Thanks for thinking out loud. Helps me a lot. You're welcome, X-Ray. Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be a silent stream. It's not. It really helps out for what it's worth. Even if you're by yourself, it really helps out saying things out loud and walking yourself through the trade. Um, it really does help. It really does help. So, okay, obviously the market does not want to go back down. You got faked out, and we're coming right back to the 48. Huh. I mean, after a major downside move like that, I can understand it bottoming out because we got a major sell off. It's gonna have to find the bottom eventually, right? So we got faked out right here, pop back up to go back to the 48. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. So obviously, it does not wanna continue going further down. Another break of the 48 on MES, still not taking it though. I'm not even going front. This looks really good. This looks really good. Yeah, we got. Up, 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 up. Not too shabby. So let's look at MES. We got another break of the 48. Um, yeah. I mean, look at the massive sell off. Massive sell off. I mean, it's gonna have to find the bottom eventually, right? I mean, it doesn't have to. It can just keep on selling off, but it tried to come back down and it came back around this bottom and it got right rejected right back to pushing forward. And is MNQ leading the way? It sure is. We got all the RSIs pushing up, climbing up, climbing up. Has to bottom out eventually, right? All right. See you Friday, bro. Peace out. There is a trade design on RTY if you disable the 200 filter, but I keep the filter enabled. Yeah, I have the trade design on V7. I'm looking at V7 right here. Um, this doesn't look too bad though. I mean, the trend is still down, but it didn't want to come back down. So, we have to be ready to switch at the flip of a dime. Switch at the flip of a dime. Delete that. Bye 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 bye. Delete that. So I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it. I mean, sub indicators just turned green. Just turned green. It failed to hold, but if this can break and hold on the 48, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I mean, but the thing is, there's these fucking levels in the way, and eh, doesn't look too good. Okay, it tried to break this higher low right here, got rejected, but got caught on the lower low, and it's coming back to retest that higher high. Yeah, I only have one more shot. I only have one more shot. So I better make it count, and I better make sure it's good. Better make sure it's good. Let me see. No, 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 no. I'm gonna hang out here. Let's watch it. I only have one more shot. Let's see what I want to do. YM has enough space for 101 reversal. Reversal. I'm too late to take a trade, bro. It's too late to take a trade. Whole lot of gray candles, yeah. It's green now and it's coming up, and there's hella strength coming onto it. Um, yeah, this is I mean, whoever took this trade right here from break of the 48. I mean, target this level. I mean, you're out of there, but it has a shit ton of momentum, bro. I'm not mad at this play. I mean, look at that MACD. Look at that RSI. That shit has hella strength, hella strength. I'm not mad at it, but I mean, obviously you're late to the party though. I mean, you're late to the party, dude. Let's come back to RTY, see what she's doing. Break. Are you gonna hold? Are you gonna hold? Let me see what is this how does it look without the 200 EMA filter? Oh, trade design. Let's see what she does. Let's see if she holds. I mean, to be clear, this right here, very risky trade. Very risky trade. You're putting your money in a lot of stress because we're still going downside, and there's a particular level here, and we're underneath the 200, so we're still biased to going short. Um, but this is why you gotta wait and see. Whenever you break the 48, you have to wait. Like, say, for example, you're gonna take a trade of the break of 48. If you take a trade of the break of 48, you have to wait and for that next candle to hold. Because if not, you're gonna get this. Because it broke the 48, it did not hold. It did not hold. It has to hold. And I get the break, see what the next candle does. If it still holds, indicators are still green, then enter on the next candle if you can get somewhere around this region. But I mean, if the next candle is all the way up here, and there's no fucking point of taking a trade. MES coming back down to Titan. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the market is doing a lot of fake outs, bro. A lot of fake outs. Oh yeah, this is nice. Right here, this is nice. It's just faking out, chopping around, but you can get a trade design right here. Not bad. Um, but the market's chopping around, not knowing what to do. But if you're being patient and only taking trades that make sense, you wouldn't be chopped around two, three times, two, three, four times. You wouldn't be. You would be safe. You would be safe. So, like I said before, obviously the trend is still to the downside. Still to the downside. I mean, I would love for this RSI to come flip back to red, but we trade the 5 minute. MNQ has a new trade design again? Damn. Be mindful of that level right there. So, yeah, if I were to take this trade, I would take it to, around this predictive level right there. But you have to be mindful that there's a predictive level right there. You just have to be mindful of that. You can take the trade design. I mean, you got red, red, red. You can take it. But you got to be mindful of these predictive levels. They're there for a reason. You can have your stop a little bit tighter or play smaller and give it some breathing room to allow it to develop. It's got to be careful here, though. You got to be careful. Yep. Lots of chop. Absolutely. Lots of chop. Market doesn't know which way to go. And it's 11:05 and we're getting close to lunch. So if I don't see what I like, we're just gonna end the day with one trade. And I'm completely okay with ending the day with one trade. I'm fine. I'm fine with that, bro. I'm not desperate to be like, oh, I gotta make money. Like, I'm good. Now that I got my cushion in my PA, and now that I know that everything that I make is for me, oh boy, I am taking only A plus setups, bro. One, two trades. I worked hard to get here. I'm not losing that shit. I'm not losing that shit. Lots of chop though. Lots of chop. How much I'm down for the day though? I'm down $93 in a day. That sucks. Oh well. Yeah, it's still not ready yet. It's still not ready yet. Did uh did YM ever go to that level? It sure did, right? Yeah, it sure did. And now it's rejecting off. So let's see. Let's stick with MES. I'm gonna leave MES right here, and I'm gonna keep looking at RTY on this other screen right here. Not yet. I mean RT, the Russell and the SPY, the trade, the price action looks identical, practically identical. Just gonna wait and see. What can we do? Nah, trade design, nope. Trade design has not flashed yet on MES. It will soon though. It will soon on this next candle. Once MACD crosses. Once MACD crosses. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Um, it looks like it's holding on the opening range. It's holding on top of the orb, right? Yeah, it's holding on top of the orb. I mean, for what it's worth, doesn't really mean anything, but still, clearly rejected twice off the 48. It failed to break above it, so you could be looking at another leg down. So you have to be ready at the drop of a dime. You have to be ready at the drop of a dime because you would think, oh yeah, it sold off so much. Yeah, maybe we found the bottom, but we got rejected twice off the break of the 48, and we got a trade design right here. Um, I'm not trading it though. I'm not trading it though. I'm gonna stick. I'm not trading that. I'm good. I'm good. I'm not trading that. I would much rather wait for a break of that predictive level, but then it's a little far from price action and entry for my taste. But if you entered, all power to you. It's got to be mindful of this predictive level right here. Got to be mindful of that. Oh, then we got the death. Are we gonna get the death? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking at RTY. I'm gonna enter again. I didn't want to catch it. Um, you wanted to come back to entry? Yeah, bro. That's totally fine, bro. That's totally fine. I mean, I'm cheap. I would want a little bit of retracement at least if I can get like over here, that's good. That's good. Close enough, right? Close enough. And now you got the death. All right, let's get back to RTY. Let's get back here. It's breaking that level. Let me get a little, it's breaking that level again. Let me get a retracement here. And I'm gonna go in again. Don't fucking run on me. Don't fucking run on me. Can we retrace a little bit? Can we retrace a little bit? This is my last trade. So let me put my stop up right there. Put my stop right there. Target bottom of the candle. I don't know what point three is. I don't know what point three is. So hold on, let me see. Let's target. We're gonna do. Should I target day lows or should I? Right? What does that give me? What does that give me? Like a 1.6. That's fine. Gabe said that's how at first he would chase. I don't know where point 0.3 is. Oh, point. Oh wait. Oh, that's not point 0.3. I don't know where point 0.3 is. Oh no. Let's see what she does. Indicators are still red. Am I gonna get chopped out again? Who knows? But I'm gonna have to shoot my shot eventually, dude. It's a very fine line of waiting and not shooting or taking the play. So let me target a little bit below the day low, 225.7. Target right there. Let me get does that get me closer to a 2 to 1? 1 point, close enough. All right, we're gonna leave our trade design like that. You can add it on your chart on tiny eye settings if you wanted to. Okay, I'll take a look at that because I don't even know what point 0.3 is. So I'll take a look at that. Um, but yeah, it's my last shot of the day. Two trade, two trades. Let's see what she does. It failed to break the 48. We're downtrending. Red RSI. MACD's MACD's like I'm gonna let's see. I don't want to get chopped, so I'm gonna move. Let's move that there. And we'll leave it just how it is, just like that. And if I get stopped out, oh well. It got caught on this low again right here. Let's see what she does. We got some more MACD cross, so it's red, red, red. You gotta shoot your shot eventually, folks. You gotta shoot your shot eventually. But I mean, as long as if you keep your trades at a minimum, 2 to 3, you're good. But in order to be more disciplined, I'm gonna just do 2. You just change the take profits. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's chopping, coming right back up. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out. And that's fine. That's fine. You just do the best that you possibly could. That's all you can do. All you can do. Just stop. 11 6. We've been here for what? Like an hour or something? That's it. That's it. There is absolutely. Think we hit a lower today? Who knows, bro? Who knows? We're keep getting caught on this bottom, but that's all right. So I did the best I possibly could. Red, red, you cannot control what the market does. You can't. And I'm okay with that. I accept that. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. Because for example, like so if you change this to super trend right here, super trend is still showing green, but what are you gonna take a trade design all the way here, way past entry? I don't think so. I don't think so. That's why you just use it as reference. You see what I mean? You can't control a candle like that. If you're taking trade designs right now, and then you're thinking like, damn, bro, like why did I get stopped out? What did I do wrong? Nothing, bro. You didn't do anything wrong. You're following the rules and you can control what a fucking big ass candle does. Am I on Feet Finder? Probably, yeah. Check me out. Uh OG69 feet. That's my username. But still, like I was saying, you can't control like big ass candles like that. You just can't. You can't control whiplash. Impossible. Impossible. You can't control that. So if you're like taking trade designs and you get stopped out, that's fine, bro. That's fine. You're good. Don't feel guilty. Don't feel bad. Like, oh my God, how are people getting results and I'm getting chopped out like crazy. Bro, you're not the only one, bro. You're not the only one. I'm over here trading in front of a crowd getting stopped out. Nothing I can do about it, bro. Came down, I'm breaking the level, enter, everything's red. Came down, rejected off the 48 twice, downtrending, breaking the level, red, red, enter the trade. What more can I fucking do? I can't do jack shit about that at all. Can't do jack shit about it. And no, I got a new trade design. No, I'm not gonna fucking take a third trade and be like, all right, this time we broke the 48 for the third time. It has to go up now, right? No, it doesn't. It can fucking give you another candle just like this to the downside. Clearly, clearly, as long as you're in this region, you're not taking any trades. As long as you're in that region, there's nothing to do. Now we know that though, right? But now it's too late. Now it's too late. So, yeah, you definitely feel like that often. Yeah, bro. I used to feel like that too. Until I just stopped giving a fuck, bro. I just stopped giving a fuck. Um, like I said, it doesn't matter what happens today, tomorrow, yesterday. Doesn't fucking matter. What matters is what happens in the future. And as long as you keep on, you know, putting in the work, eventually you're gonna make it there. You'll be all right. All right. So, um, did I help you guys today? Hopefully, right? Did I help you guys today? Before I cut stream, I just want to know my performance. Did I help you guys calm down your psychology and tell you that everything is gonna be okay? Let me know. You're welcome, X-Ray. Solid work, Team Mugabe. Thank you, Deepan. Thank you, Philip. I appreciate it. Thank you, Jesse. All right, guys. 2 trades today. That is all. 2 losers in a row. Cut it. I'm being extremely disciplined. Extremely disciplined. Fuck a third trade. Fuck a third trade. 2 trades. That's it. That is all. I'm not gonna do any more than that. I want to be like master. Take a 1 trade, 2 trades. That's all. I'm focusing on perfecting my craft. So that's pretty much it. All right, guys, that was today's stream. Hopefully it helped. A lot of psychology. Everything's gonna be okay. Put in the work. Keep showing up. The results that happen today doesn't matter. What matters is the future. All right. C'est la vie. Peace out.